The market has been at its finest today. The volatility in Shiba Inu prices is crazy. The community got mixed reactions. Massive 253 billion Shiba Inu is on the move. Analysts are dropping their signals. And they've revealed how much Shiba Inu do you need for you to become a millionaire soon. And the answer might shock you. Most of you might not have enough. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today was an absolutely wild ride for Shiba Inu. Literally crazy. The charts have been all over the place, with the price pumping, then dipping, then pumping again, making it nearly impossible to predict what's next. The volatility is off the charts. And if you've been watching the market today, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Just a few hours ago, Shiba had a nice surge, making it look like things were heading up. But as of right now, at the exact moment this video is going live, that momentum has cooled off and the price has dipped back down, sitting around 1% lower. It's been a total roller coaster. And honestly, this kind of action keeps traders on their toes. Right now, the Shiba Inu community is pretty split. Some people are nervous watching the price action and wondering if it's going to dip even further. They're hesitant, holding back on making any big moves because, honestly, the market's been unpredictable today. And let's be real, after all this volatility, that hesitation makes sense. But here's the thing, not everyone thinks we're heading down. In fact, some are saying this whole crazy price action is just setting the stage for something big. A breakout, a massive move. And they're not just guessing, some analysts are pointing to the charts, saying Shiba Inu is actually gearing up for a pump. Take this Twitter analyst, for example. He straight up said in his tweet that Shiba Inu wants to pump from here. And if you look at the bigger picture, it's not a far-fetched idea. We've seen this kind of setup before. Sharp dips, choppy movement, and then boom, an explosive breakout when people least expect it. So while some are worried, others are getting ready, thinking this might just be the calm before the storm. But one analyst came in with a more realistic take on where Shiba Inu might be headed next. According to him, the bulls are trying to hold their ground, but the battle isn't over yet. Right now, Shiba Inu is hovering near a key support level, and if that level doesn't hold, we could see the price slip a bit lower by tomorrow. Looking at the bigger picture, though, things are still up in the air. Neither the bulls nor the bears have full control, and the trading volume is dropping, which usually means we're not in for any sudden dramatic moves. Instead, the most likely scenario? Shiba Inu stays stuck in this tight range for now, bouncing between familiar price levels. But here's where it gets interesting. On the midterm outlook, traders are keeping an eye on the weekly close. If Shiba Inu manages to end the week strong, above a certain key level and without a long wick on the candle, then we might see another push higher next week, potentially testing a higher resistance zone. For now, though, it's all about patience. The market is cooling off, and unless something big shakes things up, we could be in for a period of consolidation before the next major move. But what's really going on here? Why is Shiba Inu's price acting like this? Well, it looks like Bitcoin isn't exactly pulling its weight today. There's been barely any action. It had a tiny bit of movement. But overall, it's just been chilling around that 97,000 mark, not really giving the market much to work with. But here's where things get interesting. Some analysts believe Bitcoin should be gearing up for a rally soon, and one of them, Matthew Dixon, has a pretty solid explanation for why. According to him, the recent drop in oil prices could be the key. Oil has been sliding down toward a major support level, which is a big deal considering how much inflation has been on everyone's mind lately. Dixon pointed out that this dip in oil is actually great news for Bitcoin and other risk assets. When oil falls, inflation worries tend to cool off, and when that happens, investors start feeling a little braver. Instead of playing it safe, they're more likely to jump into digital assets and stocks, which could fuel Bitcoin's next big move. This quiet phase might not last much longer. So, why does this matter for Shiba Inu specifically? Out of all the meme coins out there, Shiba Inu is in a prime position to take advantage of this situation. First off, Shiba Inu isn't just another meme coin. It's one of the biggest and most established in the space. It has a massive dedicated community that pushes adoption, and it's backed by a growing ecosystem with real developments, like Shibarium, staking, and DeFi integrations. That's something a lot of other meme coins just don't have. But more importantly, Shiba Inu has a history of reacting fast when Bitcoin makes a move. Whenever Bitcoin starts climbing, Shiba Inu tends to amplify that momentum. It's got high liquidity, strong trading volume, and a tendency to attract fear-driven buyers when the market heats up. And let's not forget, The whole narrative around meme coins has been evolving. It's not just about hype anymore. Investors are looking for meme coins with real staying power. And Shiba Inu has proven time and time again that it's not going anywhere. So if Bitcoin does take off, Shiba Inu is sitting in the perfect spot to ride that wave higher and make some serious moves. But here's the thing. Something big just happened today for Shiba Inu. One of the largest crypto exchanges just recorded the biggest Shiba Inu trading volume in the last 24 hours. And it's turning heads. Shiba Inu has been making waves across the crypto space as it continues its price recovery. In just a single day, a mind-blowing 253 billion Shiba Inu tokens moved through Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange. That's a massive spike in activity. And according to CoinMarketCap, the trading volume for Shiba Inu on Binance shot up by more than 14% in just 24 hours. The sheer size of these transactions has completely shocked the Shiba Inu community. And it's not just regular traders making moves. Some of this action is coming from Shiba Inu whales, who are jumping back into the market. When whales start making big plays, it usually means they see something brewing. Whether it's accumulation, positioning, or just taking advantage of the volatility, one thing is clear. Shiba Inu is seeing serious interest right now. These wild price movements have definitely sparked a lot of chatter online. Some people are already calculating how much Shiba Inu they need before the big bull run kicks off. And here's where it gets crazy. One analyst just dropped some numbers on exactly how much Shiba Inu you'd need to hold to officially become a millionaire. Even though the market has been shaky lately, a lot of investors still have their eyes on that life-changing moment. And honestly, it's not surprising. Shiba Inu has one of the most legendary price runs in crypto history. Back in the 2020 to 2021 bull market, its price skyrocketed by a mind-blowing percentage, making early holders ridiculously wealthy. Since then, it's pulled back quite a bit, but many analysts still believe it has the potential to climb to much higher levels. Some projections suggest Shiba Inu could eventually reach price points that would turn small investments into massive gains. Experts at a major trading firm predict that in about 8 years, it could hit a price that would take its market cap into the hundreds of billions. Another report from early 2024 speculated that after the next Bitcoin halving, Shiba Inu could see an explosion in value, pushing it into the multi-trillion-dollar market cap territory. And then there's the long-term outlook. Some believe that in the next few decades, Shiba Inu might reach price levels that would put its total valuation ahead of some of the biggest companies in the world. So how much would you need to hold to hit that $1 million mark? Well, for those betting on the more conservative price target, you'd need 2.5 billion Shiba Inu tokens, something that, at today's prices, would cost tens of thousands of dollars. But if you believe in a more explosive future, the required amount drops drastically. For the mid-range target, you'd only need around 166 million tokens, which right now would cost a few $1,000s. And for the most optimistic projection, the absolute moonshot, you'd only need tens of millions of tokens, which could be bought for just a few $100s at current prices. But of course, here's the reality check. While Shiba Inu has proven it can pull off insane rallies, reaching those highest price targets won't be easy. The biggest challenge? The massive circulating supply. If Shiba Inu is ever going to hit those dream numbers, it has to burn through a significant portion of its supply. That's why the ongoing burn campaign is so crucial. The more tokens that get removed from circulation, the higher the chances of reaching those ambitious price levels. At the end of the day, whether these predictions come true or not, one thing is clear. Shiba Inu still has the power to get people dreaming big. And in crypto, you never really know when the next explosive move is right around the corner. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money. So, don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out.
New all-time high is on the horizon. How does that sound? I am pretty sure just one thought of it makes you excited. But what if I told you that there's a potential to triple the expectations? The Shiba Inu would literally explode in price. But recent discovery proves that it actually might be more than possible. And all of this because of one little detail we haven't been paying attention to. What a shame. But what is it about? Why should we be excited? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. In the past 7 days, more than 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have been moved, catching everyone's attention due to the significant increase in volatility. This massive movement is like a tidal wave in the world of cryptocurrency. To put it into perspective, 17 trillion tokens represent a huge portion of Shiba Inu's circulating supply, making this activity impossible to ignore. Such a large transfer of tokens often raises eyebrows because it can signal that the Shiba Inu is in a good place. What if it's not? Well, let me explain. A big shift in the market. When so much of a cryptocurrency is moved in a short period, it usually means that something big is happening behind the scenes. This could be anything from large holders or whales making strategic moves to potential changes in the market sentiment. With on-chain activity surging like this, many people are hopeful that a bullish trend might be on the horizon for Shiba Inu in the upcoming week. Recently, Shiba Inu's price has shown significant volatility, with charts indicating regular testing of support and resistance levels. This pattern suggests that Shiba Inu is in a consolidation phase, which means it's gathering momentum before making a significant move. This behavior makes people feel that a crucial shift is about to happen. It's like watching a calm before the storm. Everything is quiet, but you can sense that something big is on the way. Imagine standing by the shore and noticing the waves getting stronger and more frequent. You know a big wave is coming, but you can't tell exactly when or how powerful it will be. Investors are in a similar situation, feeling the anticipation and preparing for Shiba Inu to make its next big move. But here's something interesting. Even though 17 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were moved in the last 7 days, the price doesn't reflect this activity. In fact, Shiba Inu's price is down by 7% during the same period. This contradiction has people scratching their heads. Normally, such a large movement of tokens would be expected to have a significant impact on the price. When this much activity is happening, it's a good sign that Shiba Inu is going to have a significant impact on the price, especially with high trading volumes. Prices usually go up or down more dramatically. But seeing a 7% drop instead of a rise or a major change is puzzling to many investors. This situation leaves people wondering what's going on behind the scenes. They question whether this massive transfer is a strategic move by big players, or if there are other factors at play that aren't immediately visible. It's like expecting a big gig. Wave to hit the shore after seeing the tide rise, but then the water suddenly calms down in a second. Instead, this unexpected turn of events keeps everyone guessing about what might happen next. One of the factors that might have contributed to this unexpected price drop is the rising rumors and negativity towards the Shiba Inu development team. You might remember that they launched a lot of projects back in the day. But now, with no recent updates, people are losing hope and faith in the team. This happens because in the crypto world, trust and confidence play a huge role. When a team launches new projects, it creates excitement and optimism. But when there are no updates or progress reports, investors start to worry. They begin to doubt whether the team can deliver on their promises. And this doubt can lead to selling off their tokens, driving the price down. From an ethical point of view, it's understandable why people feel this way. They invested their money based on the promise of future developments. When those developments don't happen or aren't communicated, it feels like a broken promise. Transparency and consistent communication from the development team are crucial to maintaining trust. Without it, rumors and negativity can easily spread, causing further damage to the project's reputation and value. And one of the projects at the center of the hate and discussions was Shiba Inu's metaverse project. The last major update for the project came in March 2024, when Lucy shared a sneak peek into the progress made on Shiba Inu metaverse. Since then, the community hasn't received many updates about the project. This lack of information stirred speculation that the team might have forgotten about the metaverse project. With growing concerns about the lack of updates, Shiba Inu's marketing lead, Lucy, addressed the issue in a Twitter post today. According to Lucy, the less information disclosed about the metaverse project now, the more impactful the next revelation will be when it's unveiled. And this approach actually quite makes sense. By keeping details under wraps, the team can build anticipation and ensure that when they do reveal new information, it has a bigger impact. Tactic often used to create suspense and excitement, making the eventual announcement feel like a significant event rather than just another update. Lucy ended her tweet with the phrase, "This suggests that even though the team hasn't shared any updates about Shiba Inu Metaverse, they are actively working on it behind the scenes." This is reassuring for investors and supporters who have been worried about the project's future. Hearing this is good news because it restores some confidence. It shows that the team is aware of the community's concerns and is strategically planning their next move. This kind of communication is a good thing. This kind of communication helps to rebuild trust and can reinvigorate interest in the project, potentially leading to positive movements in the token's value. In addition, Lucy has often taken to the X social media platform to address the Shiba Inu community about those spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Shiba Inu and its developer team. Instead of suggesting a confrontational approach, Lucy proposes a peaceful and calm solution. In her tweets, Lucy advises the global Shiba Inu army on how to react to FUD and those who are interested in Shiba Inu. Attacking Shiba Inu. Her advice is simple: do nothing. Let the fudders be, she recommends. Don't let them get to you. Be yourself. Choose positivity and positive things will happen. She also shared her personal approach, saying, "I simply forget they exist and leave them to their fate." This advice encourages the community to stay focused on their goals and not be distracted by negativity, promoting a positive and constructive atmosphere within the Shiba Inu community. And it looks like this approach has worked. The hate seems to have stopped, and Shiba Inu has stopped falling in price. As of now, it appears to be pretty stable, with the price remaining flat over the last 24 hours.